Namaste and a warm welcome to all of you. I'm Manisha Sandeep, founder of Das Temple. I'm a clairvoyant, a clairaudient, a light worker and an energy healer. I'm coming up with small videos, topics on positivity. Hope you like it and it brings cheers to your life. Today I'm going to speak on the topic attitude of gratitude. When you wake up in the morning, think what a precious privilege it is to be alive, to be able to breathe, to think freely, to enjoy, to love. Then make that day count. We normally tend to take everything for granted. To be grateful is to recognize God in everything. So is the case with things like family, friends, and health. Gratitude is not only the greatest virtues, but the parent of all others. It is the root to happiness. Every time you feel grateful for, you are actually giving love. Here, it is the law of attraction that works. Think about one disturbing thought or an incident that happened in your life. Understand that this experience occurred in your life only to expand your soul and for your higher self to get a deeper and richer experience. It is for our soul to evolve and advance. Once the learning happens, we undergo a transformation. And through this transformation, we are driven to take one more step ahead on this path of life's journey. We have to be grateful for the lessons learned. These lessons are like packages of treasures that have been given to us. Everything happens for a reason. The significant problem we face cannot be solved with the same attitude or the same level of thinking we were at when we created it. So, to solve the problem, we need to shift our thinking as well as our perception. Gratitude is like a gear shift that can move mental mechanism from obsession to peacefulness, from being stuck to being creative, from fear to love, from lack to abundance. It works on your ability to open your channel wide for all good things that could make their way towards you. It also changes our perception. People who maintain an attitude of gratitude tend to be happier and healthier than those who don't. Additionally, it makes you optimistic, enthusiastic, and more receptive. In today's stressful times, the pursuit of happiness is one of the main reasons every individual looks into. Sadly, the materialistic happiness has a greater impact and significance over the emotional happiness. If you really want to feel happy, try the attitude of gratitude for the change in your mood, your outlook, and you. The more grateful you are, the more goodies you get. By goodies here, I mean people, places, and experiences. It increases the flow of abundance in your life. It increases the love in your life. The universe loves this expression of attitude of gratitude, and you get more and more gifts from the universe. The more you recognize and express gratitude for the things you have, the more things you have to express gratitude for will be attracted in your life. The mere act of thanksgiving has a tangible effect even on the children. If we make them write down 5 things they were grateful for in a day, in just 2 weeks, you will see a profound difference in the outlook of the kids and you will drive greater satisfaction. Consider this as a miracle mantra and experience the transformation that is happening in you and around you. Let us all start from this moment an attitude of gratitude. I hope this small talk makes difference and transformation in your life. More such topics to talk on and to share with you all the happiness and joy of life. If you like this audio, this video, I request you to click the like button, press the like button and subscribe for my channel. Thank you so much. Love you all and bless you all.